Greetings, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. Congress will be passing a brand new bill this week. Lawmakers have also released a new plan that will provide hundreds of thousands of Americans with up to $630 in extra financial aid. But there are a few new requirements in order to be eligible for this new stimulus money. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn more about this. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway.
With the increased costs with shortages is unnecessary. This isn't caused by nature with a hurricane or a tornado or a fire or an earthquake or even a war, although some are trying to point to an action by Putin and Russia and Ukraine being responsible for everything. This is government-caused situation we're seeing with inflation, with fuel and energy. It doesn't have to be this way. So what's really disheartening as a representative of folks is that we know our constituents, good people, are suffering from it, from inflation. It's impacting everyday Americans, Northern Californians, in my district, everybody. First-hand accounts from people in my district who are struggling financially due to these rising prices and inflation. This inflation is a tax on every American, like my colleagues have been saying, and we're hoping people will hear. Rural Americans are feeling additional financial struggles, even more so probably than their urban dwellers, but maybe it's the same, maybe just different. Rural residents tend to drive more. They have to drive farther distances to do what they do. If they work on a ranch, they live on a ranch, a timber operation, a mining operation, or they just live out, maybe they're a park ranger, maybe they take care of the parks. Many reasons why you would live in a rural part of the state of California or any part of America. Well, that puts more mileage on your vehicle, uses more gas. You may tend to have a four-wheel drive vehicle live in those areas because you might have snow, other reasons that you have to have a vehicle that has a little more oomph, a little more ability to get around than perhaps one in Southern California like that. So likely they're going to use a little more gasoline in order to go where they need to go. And getting gasoline delivered to areas like that costs a little more. It's a little higher. My Northern California district, it's not uncommon to see $6 on the sign for diesel or even premium gasoline. $6. Routinely $6 for diesel. And a lot of people drive diesel vehicles. They have less retail options nearby. Their stores ship from further distances, so the trucks that brought it, if you got it, a truck brought it is the saying. They got to ship farther to get there. So that store might need to have just a little higher price to cover shipping. So further shipping, all these things just add up for especially rural residents on that. But they have a reason why they are rural residents, and when we need them to be.
So friends, here is the big news. Hundreds of thousands of families in Pennsylvania may receive up to $630 in state child care tax credits after Governor Tom Wolf revealed the details of the Child Independent Care Enhancement Program. As inflation continues on the rise, so does food, utilities, and gas, and other primary expenses for families all over the state. This Pennsylvania plan will help those working families who pay for daycare and already qualifying for the federal program. They will be able to claim this credit on their 2023 tax filing. To be eligible, a household must earn below $43,000, so they can receive a $315 payment for one child, or a $630 payment if they have 2 or more children. The budget was approved earlier this month by the Pennsylvania Senate. Over 200,000 families will see the benefits of this child tax credit program. In a press release, Governor Wolf stated, "Cost should never be a barrier for parents looking for an educational, safe, supportive, and fun environment for their children while they're at work each day." Now, friends, the Internal Revenue Service gets another shot at long-term investment in its taxpayer services. The budget reconciliation package announced this week by Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senate Democrat Joe Manchin. The budget reconciliation package announced this week by Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senate Democrat Joe Manchin would give the IRS $80 billion over the next 10 years. The 2022 Inflation Reduction Act would help shrink a growing tax gap between what taxpayers owe and what the agency collects. IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding told Congress last year the tax gap may be as high as $1 trillion a year. The Biden administration and congressional Democrats first included these spending proposals in the Build Back Better Act, but Senator Manchin eventually rejected the deal earlier this year. His role in drafting this similar but less expensive package improved its chances of passing the Senate. President Biden said today that the bill has a lot of similarities compared to the Build Back Better Act. Biden stated it's not all of it, but we've moved a long way. With this legislation, we're facing up to some of our biggest problems, and we're taking a giant step forward as a nation. Friends, the key word for this video is Anchorage. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Anchorage, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, dear friends, that the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. The IRS would have until September 30th, 2031 to spend the money. The Internal Revenue Service would see $45 billion towards its enforcement operations, and $25 billion would go towards operation support. More than $3 billion would go towards taxpayer services. The bill would also give the IRS $15 million to prepare and deliver a report to Congress on the cost of developing and running a free direct e-file tax return system. A Congressional Budget Office report last year found the IRS would more than double its workforce under this spending plan. The agency recently told Congress it had 33,000 fewer employees in 2020 than it did a decade ago. So friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. In a video later today, friends, I'll be announcing the winner, so please stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.